YouTube Shorts have a tendency to travel far. Shorts have a tendency to bring you all those subscribers you are looking for. But when it comes to watch hours, we all know views from Shorts don't really count towards monetization. That's why in this video, I am going to show you how to use your YouTube Shorts the right way to make your watch hours count and get monetized faster. Watch to the end because I am going to show you a genius strategy using Shorts to supercharge your watch time and get closer to monetization. It is advisable to create your own YouTube Shorts rather than taking contents from other platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and many others to reuse as your own, because by doing this, YouTube will restrict you. YouTube will sanction you. In this video, I will show you how to repurpose your long-form videos into shorts. This way, you won't have to go through the hassle of creating both long-form and short-form separately. Hello gorgeous people, welcome to my channel. It is Learn with Lydia and I'm back with another mind-blowing video again. How are you people doing? I hope you guys are fine. If you are tuning in for the first time, do well to like and subscribe this video. And also, don't forget to drop a comment. Lastly, do not forget to share this video for every other person to get this good news. Let's get started.
Go to your channel, then choose a video that you want to remix. Under the video, you'll get these buttons: the like button, share button, promote button, and the remix button. But I understand there are people that their remix button doesn't show. If your remix button doesn't show, go back to the video, click on edit, then allow remix. When you do that, your remix button will appear here as you can see. Then click on remix. When you click on remix, under remix, there are these options of edit into a short, sound, collab, green screen, cut. What we want to do here is to edit into a short. So click on edit into a short. Well, here we have to choose the interesting part of the video that we want to turn into a short. Then you can either choose to make your short a 15-second short or a 60-second short. For me, I'll go with the 15 seconds for the sake of this tutorial. Then under it, there are also these options of the layout. You can either choose a layout of your choice. There is single, split 1, split 2, and split 3. Let's choose split 2 so that you can see what I'm talking about. There you have it. That's a simple way to make shorts from your long form videos.
Now that you have learned how to make your short form videos from your long form videos, I will also show you how to make your short form watch hours count, which is the main reason that we are even creating this video.
Click continue. It will bring us to this part. Here, you can either choose to put your captions, music, voice note, just to mention a few. Then click on next. Add your titles and hashtags. And include your hashtag. Having added your title and hashtag, there is an option here of your thumbnail. You can change your thumbnail. Click on this pencil here. Then you will change your thumbnail from these photos you can see from the bottom. Select a photo that you find interesting or a photo that pleases you. Let's go with this one. Then click on OK. Just like that, you have changed your thumbnail. So to make your watch hours count, go ahead and choose related videos. It will bring you to your long form videos so that you choose the video that you have remixed so that it can be added into the related videos. Like you can see, it has already been added. Get 1,000 subscribers in less than 24 hours. So you can go ahead and upload the shorts. Let's wait for it to upload. The short has already been uploaded. Let's click on it and see. Like you can see, the short has already been uploaded. You can see my channel name, created from Learn with Lydia. When they click here, they will be redirected to the main video from your
Don't
long
waste your
form
time on spending
videos. As simple as that. That's how you can make your watch hours count from shorts.
Video you like. When you apply this genius strategy on your short form videos, that's how your watch hours will count. If this is a video you found interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. See you in my next video.